Wow. Hi everyone, it's John, the science guy, and welcome once again to my lab. I have a really interesting experiment for you today. I have a plastic bowl, which you can get at the dollar store, and a piece of rubber band. It's a rubber band I've got here that's around the bowl with some cling wrap, saran wrap, kind of making like a snare, almost like a drum, but we're not going to bang on it. We're going to do something interesting. We're going to take some glitter. Okay, so I'm going to put this to my mouth. No, I'm not going to drink it. And I'm going to do something pretty interesting. Wow. Everything that was there actually moved off. I didn't use anything more than sound. Now, how did that happen? Well, I caused this to actually vibrate. That vibration traveled on the snare and caused everything to move off of it, like you saw the glitter went from here onto this wonderful counter. But why are we doing this experiment? Do I like playing with glitter and snares? Well, I do, but that's not why we're doing this. We're doing this to emphasize a point, and that is intangibility breeds success. What the heck is he talking about? Well, in life, if you're trying to achieve a dream, you first have to give it a deadline or a time so it becomes a goal. Otherwise, it's just going to sit and circle in space. When something is intangible, meaning you can't touch it physically, people think there's no way to use that to obtain a goal. They're wrong. Today, we demonstrated that by something intangible, I can't touch my sound, can I? It's intangible. I can hear it, but I can't touch it. Thus, if you use intangible things in your life, what are intangible? Your thoughts, feelings, your emotions. And when we take those powerful tools and we choose to implement them in our lives, we can move mountains. We took all this glitter that was on here and with just a few vibrations, literally went right off of the snare. Tell me that's not interesting. If you found it interesting, why not smash that bell notification icon? Why? So you'll be instantly notified when I post new science content that may just improve the quality of your lives. And if you really would like to say thank you and be grateful to my team and I, why not click on that link below where it says help keep our content free? Buy us a cup of coffee. We'd be so grateful. We'll invest into new technology to give you the most jaw-dropping science videos to not only compel you, but move you to change your life to achieve your goals. I'm John, the science guy. Thanks so much for joining me in my lab today, and I'll be back real soon with another great science experiment that may just improve the quality of your life.